I've just bought this Cross Beth bike for my wife. She wanted a commuter bike to ride into work, so I paid £35, and as you'll see, it's suffered a little bit from rust. It was kept on the southwest coast of England, and I think the sea air has played havoc with the chrome parts. So I'm going to firstly give it a wash, and then I'm going to set about tidying it up, cleaning some of the parts, and I'd also like to maybe upgrade the brakes because they're a bit cheap. I mean, the bike is a relatively budget bike anyway, but let's see what we can do. Just tidy it up, make it look a little bit better. The bike's stripped down. I spent the last week cleaning and polishing. I've ordered a few new parts. This was never going to be a pristine build, but let's get cracking. Let's put it all back together, see how it looks.